I usually pay for stuff in advance and wait for them to be shipped. This is one of those shipments. I don't know what's inside it, but I assume this is Shozi Elsa. Let's open it. I have paid a huge amount of custom on it, and I'm expecting something good for sure. I hope nothing is damaged here, but it's Indian custom. One cannot be sure about anything, so that's a thing. Indian custom can do anything to your packets, and that's a fear we constantly live under, and it cannot be helped. Really, nothing in here. This is the package. I hope things are intact in here. Whatever it is, yeah, I think this is Shozi. There, the black hole was in a similar package too. So Shozi and Shozi, Elsa, and the other one was something similar. The cheaper one, I believe. There's a cheaper one and there's a expensive one. I assume this is Elsa. Let's see. No, this is the other one. Whatever it is, this is. I'll have to I'll have to look into it. I have forgotten the name of this IEM. There is no information about it. There isn't anything on the box. This is Cirrus 4.4 Shozi. Some scratches on it, I do not mind. This is made in collaboration with, I believe, Neo. Neo has been collaborating with Shozi lately. This is like new BG CP3 and stuff, BG5. This is a hybrid 1DD 1BA priced at $200. It is supposed to be a base friendly IEM 4.4, similar cable to the black hole. So I'm I'm expecting it to be good, to be precise. Looks good. I really like the looks of this thing. Not huge in size. You guys can see the back plate is good too. It's not big in size, and two pin is more stable inside the ear. Cirrus, okay. And this is Elsa is priced at $750. So they've opened it. That's kind of odd. I'm not expecting anything fancy here. They Shozi do not ship with fancy tips at all. This is just some generic kind of tips, and this is something I'm not sure. Let's see, what is this? Is this anything special? No, this is just simple whiteboard kind of tips. Yeah, looks like ePro, but it's not ePro, not even ePro. So nothing exactly special in here. I was not expecting anything special either, because Shozi did not ship their black hole with anything either. So you can guess. So Shozi here in between the notes. Okay, we will try to listen that in between the notes. And this is the IEM. Come on, similar packaging you guys can see. And this is the Elsa. This is the cable, slightly on the stiffer side. I believe this is SPC or something like that. 5BA drivers, much more like the Pentacle, Shozi Pentacle, made in collaboration with AAW. This is Elsa, I believe this is purely made by Shozi, 5 BA drivers. You guys can see the BA drivers here. This is the look I really like, the clean look. Elsa, Shozi. And this too is not big. You guys can see this is not big, not really big. Similar in size with this, similar in size. Even this is bigger, this is smaller. Elsa is even smaller and filled filled with resin or acrylic. Filled, this is filled, not empty, and that's a good thing. When the shell is filled, it's less likely to fall apart or break. If it's empty, it's more likely to break. So I don't know what's happening here, but I really do not like the cable of Elsa. You guys can see the back plates, good looking back plates. I have no complaints about the back plates, but I am not exactly sure about this cable. Looks okayish. I'm not exactly aware about the sound, but let's see. I'm expecting something good from it. This is expensive at $750. So this is the unboxing of these two IEMs. I don't think there is anything fancy here. I really do not think there is anything fancy. They Indian custom really opened stuff up. This is the generic Neo set of tips. So nothing exactly great in here. So Neo made in collaboration with Shozi. This is Cirrus and the other one is Elsa. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.